Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learnhyperinformation.com. So this is a quick hack for Eclipse user. So if you are someone who use Eclipse a lot, then definitely you will love this feature. The moment you start working with different IDEs like IntelliJ, VS Code, you will get auto completion by default, right? When I say auto completion, you type something and it will show the related classes, interfaces, or anything which is matching with that pattern, right? But with Eclipse, that feature by default is not enabled. So let's say if I want to write system.out.println, I have to write system.out then println, right? Similarly, let's say if I want auto suggestions, so one thing that I have to do manually is once I will write sysout, I have to press control space. The moment I put control space, then it gives me auto suggestion, right? Similarly, let's say I want to see the string class. I type st, I'm not getting any suggestion, but the moment I press control space, then you can see all these options are coming, whether it's a class, interface, which I want to use. So it's giving string, buffer, builder, all these classes suggestion. But if you want that this feature should be enabled by default for you, it means the moment you type even a single character, it should give you all the suggestions like what classes, interfaces we can use. So what you can do, you just need to make a minor settings. Right now I will show you for Mac. I'm using Mac latest version and Eclipse latest version, but the settings will remain same for previous versions of Mac and previous version of Eclipse as well. Now if you're a Windows user, I will give you a screenshot. You just need to perform 2 additional steps, because in terms of UI in Mac we have a different setting. For Windows there's a different setting. So I will give you the screenshot just to perform 2 options, and you can follow the video according to your operating system. So in order to enable this auto suggestion, what you can do, go to Eclipse and click on the settings, and you will find multiple options here, right? General, and Gradle, Help, Java. So manually you can go to this Java, or what you can do, you can type here Content Assist. Again, Content Assist. Under Java section, you'll find Content Assist. See, Content Assist is available with different options as well. So you have to go to the Java section, then click on Content Assist. Come to this last section, which is auto activation. Right now, auto activation is enabled with dot. That's the reason when you say system dot, it gives you all the suggestions, right? So instead of dot, what you can do, you can add this string. So basically it's a ABCD in small letters first, A to Z. And again, we are doing with capital A to capital Z, and you can add dot as well. You need auto activation the moment you put dot operator. So either you can write or you can copy paste. I will give you in the description. Paste here, that's all. You click on apply and close. And now you write even a single character, it will give you auto suggestion. The moment I type S, and I'm getting all the options. So it will be very easy for me to write the code. Even if you're a beginner, you can use this feature, because nowadays syntax is not a big thing, right? You can easily get the syntax, but the main part is the logic. So even if I write sys, it's giving me sys error, sys out, and sys trace. So if I go with sys out, or even if I type S, I'm able to create anything. So let's say if I want to just enter my name, and then I want to perform any operation, so I can easily do that. Yeah. So this is for Mac and Eclipse. Right now you will see one more screenshot for Windows. So please follow this. Go to the settings, search for Content Assist, and go to auto activation and enter this string. So yeah, that's all for this video. I know it's a very quick video, but it will be very helpful when you start learning any programming language. In case this video helped you in any manner, then do share with your friends, colleagues, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.